Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So another content here. I just want to show or uh, bring more information about this plant. So you know the name of this plant. This plant is called bird's nest fern. So what is bird's nest fern and how to care this and other things that we want to know. So guys, the bird's nest ferns grow best in medium to low indirect sunlight. These ferns are often grown for their crinkly leaves, and the light they receive will affect how crinkled the leaves are. So the bird's nest fern receives more light. For example, we have more crinkled leaves, while one that receives less light will have flatter leaves. Keep in mind that too much light or direct light will cause the fronds on bird's nest fern to yellow and die. So how to care the bird's nest fern? Care for a bird's nest fern in addition to light. Another important aspect of bird's nest fern is its watering. Under ideal circumstances, all ferns would like to have consistently moist but not wet soil. However, part of the reason that bird's nest fern makes an ideal houseplant is that it will tolerate soil that dries out from time to time. So, should be like that, no? Furthermore, this plant does not require the same level of humidity that many other kinds of ferns need, making the care for a bird's nest fern far more forgiving to the occasionally forgetful houseplant owner than other ferns. So, fertilizer should only be given to the plant 2 to 3 times a year. 2 to 3 times only per year. Even then, the fertilizer should only be applied at half strength and should only be given during the spring and summer months. Too much fertilizer will cause deformed leaves with brown or yellow spot fern edges. So we have to be careful for that, for giving the fertilizer. So now that you know more about how to grow bird's nest fern and how easy these plants are to grow, try giving them a place in your home. So they will make a wonderful and green addition to the less brightly lit rooms in your home. So it's nice to have a bird's nest fern. Actually, bird's nest fern is really good looking. So what are you waiting for? Try this bird's nest fern.